Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. The first thing you're going to need is peanut butter. I have natural crunchy peanut butter spread. You're going to need jelly. I have strawberry preserves by Smuckers. And then you're going to need 2 pieces of bread. You're going to need a spoon. And you're going to need a knife. Alright, so let's get started. So first you're going to take the peanut butter and open it up, smell it, and then you're going to take your knife, dig in there, get a good heaping of peanut butter, and then you're going to spread it on one side of the bread, like this. Spread it evenly to make sure all the peanuts get spread over the bread. Once you have that, you're going to put your knife to the side, and then you're going to open up your jelly. Smell it. And take some jelly, a good heaping of it, and put it on the other piece of bread, just like this. And then you're going to spread it evenly across the piece of bread. And after you spread it, you have a couple of options. You can either have the peanut butter side on top or the jelly side on top. I choose to have my jelly on top. So I'm going to close it like that. And I made the peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And if you want to get fancy with it, you can take your knife and you can cut it diagonally. And that's how you make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.